Oh, what a lovely market! I'll take these warm mittens, please, and some snacks and a hot drink.